Excuse me. Excuse me, Miss Lady.
Excuse
Hey,
me.
how you doing?
Yes.
Sorry, my bad.
Please don't touch me.
Yeah, what's your name though?
My name. No, I'm not interested. No, thank you.
I'm saying I'm working.
I didn't ask you what kind of job you had. I mean,
No. What, you got a man or
no, I
something?
don't have a boyfriend. I just don't like you.
My bad. You have a nice day.
Thanks. Now we all know, in a world full of misogynistic men who feel like they're entitled to everything, that isn't how it would actually go. So let's just get into the video. Hey y'all, it's Davania, and if you can't tell by the title already, you know, if you ain't read and you just a subscriber that's that loyal to me, today this video is going to be about a wig review. Actually, my very first wig review to be exact. So I'm not exactly nervous. I'm just really hoping I don't leave anything out and you guys don't kill me. So this review is going to be on a wig that I just got maybe 2 weeks ago. Okay. So let's get started. I created a few questions for myself because, well, I don't have any friends. So I had to think, what is it that I would want to know about a wig? All right. First things first, what kind of wig is this? This is actually synthetic wig. I usually get synthetic wigs because, well, one, I ain't trying to pay all that money for like a human hair wig, and two, I like a wig that I don't have to do a lot of maintenance to. So if I want a red wig and I want it curly, that's the kind of wig I'm gonna buy. I don't want to curl it by myself. I don't want to dye it by myself. So that's why I get synthetic wigs. So you ain't gotta do nothing to it, you know? Maybe a little plucking here and there and make them a little baby hairs, but I'm gonna do that regardless, okay? Where did I get this wig from, you say? Of course you want to know, of course. So I got this from Amazon. Actually got it from Kryssma, you know. That seems like the go-to for everybody these days. And I actually have two other wigs from Kryssma. I got the, what is that? How many inches is that wig? It's not 40 inches, is it? It's between 30 something and 40 inches. I got an orange one, and then I got a red one for a music video that I am in. I'm gonna drop that link later. But yeah, I got the orange one, the red one, and now I got this beautiful sandy brown ombre to blonde beauty. And I was really happy when I saw this wig because although it's not, I don't think it's one of their new units, but I just really wanted, like, I saw this girl on Pinterest and she had a really nice sew-in, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna get this? And I looked up like YouTube videos trying to find a review, and lo and behold, everybody's bleaching their wigs and dyeing it themselves, and I'm not trying to do all that. Like, I do hair, but I'm not the best colorist, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted it to come out perfectly. I didn't want to ruin a wig and mess up. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, all you people. So I ordered this, I forgot when I ordered it, but it comes really quickly. Like, if you order it on a Monday, you probably getting that thing Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday morning. Like, I don't know who Kryssma got under their belt for delivery, but girl. So this wig is called Kryssma Fashion Ombre Blonde Glueless Lace Front Wig. It's a two-tone color with a light brown root, and it's a side part, which I'm gonna show you in a clip. The wig, most of the hair I can feel right here. The part is supposed to be over here, and it gets like shorter when you get towards the edges, but I wanted a middle part, so I parted it in the middle. Who gonna check me? So it comes with their another little card telling you like how to store your wig away, how to wash the wig properly and how to keep it detangled, yada yada yada. Like I said, I don't like to do a lot, so I didn't really read that. And they give you a 2-pack of wig caps. So about this wig, it's half hand tied lace front wig with a lace of a 2.5-inch parting space. I guess you could say 2.5. It's way better than this other wig I have. It's like 1 freaking inch. It's so annoying, but it's so cute. Synthetic hair, it's heat resistant. It goes up to, the flat irons can be up to 320 degrees. I don't necessarily need that much. 22 inches. I don't know, but all I know is, like, I love Kryssma, but their wigs be way too long for me. Like, it's summertime in Chicago. It's way too hot. I ain't wearing no lace wig outside anyway, but still, I don't want this hair all over me, all down my back, and it could possibly get tangled. Like, I don't have time for that. So yes, I did cut it, and I feel like I did not cut it enough. So, oh, and it's only $35.99. A lot of Kryssma wigs are between $35 and $40, so you can expect to pay that much, but it's really a really good wig. I put concealer on my part, but I probably didn't even need that. Like, that's how good the lace looks on it. Like, and for $40, you're getting a bang for your buck. What did you do to it is what I asked myself next. So this is what I did. I cut off my lace, obviously. I was getting ready, like I had my tweezers and everything to sit down and pluck this part, and something just told me not to. Like, I could not do it, and the lace is so soft, I didn't want to like tear it up or anything, so I didn't even, is that a tangle? Irritating. So I didn't even pluck the lace. I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut me a few like baby hairs and call it a day. I tried it on, like, it was fine. It's fine. Like, if I really wanted to pluck it, I could, and maybe one day I will, but no. Okay, so cut my lace, got my comb blade, razor blade, and I made my baby hairs. I put concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee on my part, and I cut my hair a few inches. And I'm not gonna insert a video of that because it took forever. Like, if you want to go crazy, you know, Angela Bassett and Waiting to Exhale, and just be my guest, but I personally don't like a blunt cut unless it's like, I guess, for a bob or something, and even then, bump it. But yeah, this took a lot, and I'm not a professional, but I think I did a really good job. But my ends feel a lot thicker now that I cut it, but I'm completely fine with that. Like, this is so gorgeous. Don't touch me. Okay, so that was kind of ghetto, that smack. Thought I would show y'all how I style it. I just take 2 pieces of hair from the front, you know, ear to ear. I make them even. Then take my brush. Wish I had pockets right now so I could just put this brush in my pocket. Just gonna put it in my pants. And then I pull it back. Pull this back. And one of the only reasons I do this is because I like the style of like having my hair down but having pieces of hair behind my ear. But I don't want a wardrobe malfunction. I try to be as comfortable as possible, so I don't want to have to keep trying to fit it behind my ear in public. You know, we don't need nobody walking past like, is that a wig? No, it's not. But yeah, this is what I do. Try to pull my ear out, make it a little more natural. Don't worry about that. You see that shiny stuff? That's just my glue. You wipe that off with like, I use a little alcohol with a Q-tip or something, and then some water. Cause we don't need a forehead shiny, you know. We already got, you know, big foreheads and whatnot, so we don't need that. I'll just brush it down. If you need to go over it with a flat iron, do that. You know what I'm saying? Do that. Yeah, but that's how I style it. That way you can see like my brown tones. How many times did you wear it? I already said once, and I got so many compliments from men and women. I just felt like a basketball wife, like Evelyn, Shiny, Jennifer, Davania, like I don't know, it's just so, I just need to go on a trip in this, like, which actually brings me to what I named my baby. And yes, I name all of my wigs. Don't hate, appreciate. I named her Malibu. And I named her Malibu because when I first put this wig on and got my lip gloss on and everything, I asked myself, why am I in a mood for an alcoholic beverage? Like, I just feel so grown, so sexy. I feel like I need to be on a yacht somewhere, like on somebody's island. And I said, what drink would you want to drink, you know? And I said, you know, nothing too hard, but not like anything like subtle, like a wine cooler. So I said, how about a Malibu coconut rum with pineapple juice? And I said, that is what I'm going to name my baby girl, Malibu. And it's a play on words because for the alcoholic beverage, of course, and because I feel like a Barbie, a Malibu Barbie, you know what I'm saying? No, I want to be a Bratz doll. A Malibu Bratz doll is what I'm gonna be. In this wig, I just feel fearless. Like, Malibu is ready to sugar daddy hunt. She's ready to go shopping. She's ready to see the world. She's ready to drink champagne on a beach. Like, I'm bringing nothing on this trip but bikinis and heels. That's just how I feel. Like, don't touch me when I have this wig on. Okay, well, don't touch me at all. But when I have this wig on, do not touch me. You cannot. And I just love it. I still actually think it's too long, but I think I'm gonna keep it at this length. Like, I can't wait until like the winter, like the beginning of winter. I just feel like an ice princess. But Malibu Bratz doll, she doesn't know winter, okay? I changed location in the winter time in Chicago. Only when I have this wig on. But whatever, that's pretty much it for now. Oh, by the way, I told you guys, the song that you're listening to right now, I'm in that music video. Yeah, so Malibu's a video girl now, you know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments how I did, you know, let me know if there was some questions you didn't get answered. Let me know if I was annoying enough for you guys. Just let me know how I did. Give me feedback, good or bad, I don't care. I'm ready to hear it all. I missed you and I love you. And if this video does well, I'll be back.
Come and dance on me, dance on me. Hey. I got rubber bands on me, big knots. Pretty little mama playing with me. Woo, woo. Booty big, wonder if she staying with me. Hey. Staring at the stands, put me in a trance. Shoot my shot like fuck a chance, I'm that fucking man. Hey. I just wanna see your body dance. All these racks on me gon' make a dance. I say, Miss Lady, nice to meet you. I was just driving by through the corners of my eye. Seen you made me look back. Bustin' you low with my speakers.